Hey, Mark Morris, toldtobeatherbroke.com, toldtobeatherbroke.com. I want to just think, way down there, there's some houses right there, and we got some more houses over here. You know what? And $1,000, $2,000 a year, and not going to be able to use their insurance policy. Some of them are going to get their policies canceled if they actually call the insurance company and ask them to do a repair. That's when, if you're a contractor, like I said, you got to become best known. You do not have to be the best. Just let people know, hey, I'm Martin. I do quality work. I do carpets. I do roofs. This area probably has about 3,000 houses. You can be a millionaire off of $2,000 or $3,000 houses. Now think of all those other neighborhoods that houses are going in. Subscribe. If these people use their insurance policy just one time to do a repair, they will have their policy canceled. There's work that they need done on their house that they were going to do under the homeowner insurance. They're not going to do anymore because they're scared they're going to get their policies canceled. That's why I tell you guys, go to my YouTube channel, watch my videos, look at the different views. You can hit all kind of subjects, but in the end, tell the person, hey, this is the kind of work we do this. No one cares about your old 5s and 6s and 4s. They just need to know you exist. They will give you money. They want to keep their houses looking good because they like when the news says your house is going up in city of Beaumont. All those new houses off of Live Oak are going up 10 to 20%. You would automatically assume your house is going up to 10 to 20%. But if your roof is leaking, the sprinkler's leaking, the floors are like old, or you haven't fixed a repair from a storm, your house is not going to be worth that much. And to make it even worse, the home insurance company may have an inspector come out to your house and check things out. So wouldn't you rather have your own contractor on board? Hey, this is the work we do. We verify this work. We're quality contractors. See, we're best known. We work in all these housing areas. We know what you look for. You can come double check our work. If something's not right, we'll fix it. That's the kind of contractor you're going to want, man. These home insurance policies are going to start sending inspectors out to your house to look for stuff. So wouldn't you rather have a contractor make these repairs already? Oh yeah, I had a contractor, he fixed this, and this. I verified it, just the paperwork. Don't go with the fly-by-night one. Go with someone who's best known. Oh yeah, this person helped me out too. He gave me some great service. Oh yeah, this person, he's not perfect, but he helped me solve the problem. May have taken longer than I thought, but he helped me. Subscribe. Mark Morris, toldtobeatherbroke.com. No insurance. They will have no insurance. And some of them with home insurance use the policy just once. It gets canceled. That means any storm repair. That could be, instead of them putting on an emergency, they could just give you the money to fix it. Subscribe. That's why I got one program from $100 to $10,000 to help you contractors. I'm not going to do it for free, man. You want to go out to work, stand around a 7-Eleven, try to pick up some work that way, you can. Or you can let me help you with your marketing, help with your sales. Let's tie in the Grant Cardone and help you make some money. So remember, houses, a couple of like $5,000 or $20,000, that's $200,000, man. Easy. Think of all the other neighborhood and other people that have their policies canceled. And this is just city of Beaumont. How about city of Banning? City of San Bernardino? You know it could cancel in the city of San Bernardino. If they ain't got them things in place, they're going to cancel those policies first. So subscribe. Martin Morris, toldtobeatherbroke.com. The home insurance home insurance crisis is getting worse. 70,000 State Farm homeowners were told their policies wouldn't be renewed. Another 6,000 told their policies with State Farm is going to be canceled, I think, of July 1st. The only other option these homeowners are going to have is the Cal Home program, which doesn't cover anything but storms. That means if people need work done, they got to come to the contractor. That is you. Subscribe. Home Tractors. I got programs from $100 to $10,000. If you want to become a millionaire or billionaire during this insurance crisis, come with me. Or if you want to be standing around at 7-Eleven trying to get some work, going through the trash can, trying to take out bottles, you can do that too, because you were a contractor who didn't invest in your business when it's basically a gold rush if you make yourself best known. Subscribe.